Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to redeem offer code on Remitly. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss an important step to consider. If you want to redeem your code on the Remitly, you have two options for that. Redeem your offer code in the Remitly app. For that, sign in, select My Remitly, and select Redeem Offer. Then enter your code in the offer code field. Then select Apply Offer to finish up. Your offer will apply to your next transfer. Redeem your offer code on remitly.com. For that, sign into your profile. If you are on a mobile device, open the menu by selecting the three lines menu icon in the upper right corner of the page. If you are on a computer, open the drop down menu in the upper right corner of the page after your language selection. Then select Redeem Offer. Enter your code in the offer code field. Then select Apply Offer to finish off. Your offer will apply to your next transfer. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.